Netherlands and Bashkirts. How are they related? It turns out that there is a very strong relation. This is Bashkirtization for English speakers. Napoleon incorporated the Netherlands into the French Empire in 1810. The French occupation ended in 1813 with the defeat of Napoleon. A huge role in the defeat of Napoleon was played by Bashkirt warriors, who, as part of 22 cavalry regiments, took part in that war as part of the army of Russian Empire against Napoleon. Bashkirts were called Northern Cupids for their unusual appearance, rare ability to shoot arrows accurately on the move, agility, and skillful handling of horses. Bashkirt warriors were faced with the difficult task of crossing the Isle River, known for its fast and irresistible current. Under the leadership of General Benkendorf, Bashkirts built a pontoon bridge from boats, crossed to the other side, and soon took part in the liberation of Amsterdam. From this moment, the independence of the Netherlands begins. The inhabitants of the Netherlands still keep the memory of these events. In the museum of the town of Ville, there is evidence that tells the truth about the war with Napoleon. Here are personal diaries, letters, maps, everything that we managed to keep. On January 2018, a sculptural composition was installed in the Netherlands on the banks of the Isle River, designed to perpetuate the memory of the feat of Bashkirt warriors. The composition includes two monuments cast in bronze to Bashkirt equestrian soldier and to General Benkendorf. The initiators of the project are the municipalities of Heerde and Oostweier of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, on the border of which heroic events took place.
200 years ago, your forefathers, great-great-great-grandfathers came here on horses, crossed the River IJssel, and this was the start of the liberation of the Netherlands in 1813. Bravo for Bashkortostan and Bashkir horsemen.